G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Beazos Mobile Cooking. Let's find a spot to pull over and do some cooking. What a great relaxing place to have our pasta in the park. Next to this beautiful stream up here in Myrtleford. Okay, so what are we eating today?
Pasta pennello.
Beautiful.
Pennello pasta.
Pasta in the park.
With the sauce. Meat. Minced meat. Little bit meat after the bone to have a flavor. Get off. The fly, you don't want to eat it before us.
Yeah. Is it a family recipe?
Huh?
Is your family recipe? You cook a lot?
Yes. That's what we do. Maybe once a week, once a month.
We're up here at the park at Myrtleford today.
Yeah, beautiful, yeah. I cooked this morning.
Yep, cooked. Beautiful. Nothing better than fresh. So now we warm it up here and it'll be magic.
Nettle, artificial stuff. I don't know if they put some artificial inside the meat.
Yeah.
And inside the pasta, I don't know.
But it smells fantastic. Let's show everyone a video. Oh, look at that. Yummo. That's on the induction cooker in the back of the car. Hooked up to the inverter.
Beautiful.
And the battery. Beautiful.
We have a good time.
A very good time.
A good time.
It smells fantastic. What's in there? There's meat. Minced meat, pasta.
Yeah.
What did you, any herbs and spices? What did you put in?
Garlic, onion, capsicum.
Capsicum, yep.
What else? Oil.
Any cheese?
No cheese.
No. Oh, we'll get cheese in the basket
Italian,
when we serve it up shortly. Beautiful.
See the chili? Look, capsicum.
Oh, lovely. Look at that.
And homemade tomato sauce.
Oh, magic.
Tomato paste.
Everything fresh. It doesn't get better than that.
Maybe you want to try it?
Yeah, we'll have a little try. I'll get.
Hot?
Oh.
Hot?
No, that's good.
Enough?
Maybe a minute more.
Yeah.
We'll put the lid on and we can hold the heat and we'll take it over.
Yeah, good idea. I haven't no strength much.
Okay.
To
Here we go.
You can bring it?
Yeah, I'll pick it up, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just turn this off.
Italian way.
Yeah, the Italian pasta in the park. In Myrtleford.
Pennella.
In Myrtleford. Yep.
Oh,
Lovely. Any more?
No, not having much. Just I put it for flat.
Let me get the salad.
Yeah, this one. That's from my garden in Melbourne.
Beautiful. Yep, so.
Cut or green beans? What do you
A
recommend?
little bit. Yep, that's plenty. Thank you. Perfect. Cheese sprinkle on top. Magic. Cheese for you. Cheese. You want cheese on yours too?
Yeah. I like it a lot.
I love that. Okay, guys, let's enjoy our pasta in the park.
Okay. Thank you very much and good luck, Steve.
Yep.
Hopefully come a good price. Yep. We'll be happy.
It'll be good.
I have to have a white pennella.
Yum. Beautiful. How's yours going, mate? All good?
Good, mate.
Looking beautiful.
Salute.
Cheers.